Hello. Today we're talking about stop clutter madness. What is clutter madness? Well, I think we all get an idea of some crazy person with things flying all around the room and their house in a big mess and they're just miserable. But clutter madness means something different. It means not being angry at yourself because your house is cluttered. And the way to stop being angry at yourself is to do something about it. And so if you're frozen in your clutter, then say, I'm going to clean this little area. I'm just going to carve out this little area and work on it for 15 minutes the way Kat tells me, 4 days a week. And then as you've accomplished 4 little areas, you can sit back and say, I'm happy. I did a good job. And that's just a reflection of what this whole room is going to be like if I project that out. So today, start stopping clutter madness. Have a good day.